There's a sneaky little way for you to make a ton of money in 2025, and fair warning, once you get started, it might just become addictive. Don't worry, because I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. Well, actually, I'm going to show you all about it. But before I reveal exactly what it is, there's a few things that you need to know. First, your skill and experience level don't matter. This method is so simple that even if you've never done anything like this before, you can jump in and start seeing results as soon as this week. Second, you don't need a big budget. You can get started with minimum upfront costs, which means almost anyone can give this a shot. And third, this is the most important part. There's a small window of opportunity. Not many people are doing this because up until now, it required a special skill and talent and a lot of time. So what exactly is this sneaky little way for you to make a lot of money in 2025? Well, it's starting your own thumbnail service where you can make anywhere from $100 to $650 a day. And don't worry, you don't have to know how to design a thing. Once you see how easy this is, you just might get hooked. Now, if that sounds too good to be true, let me show you some quick proof. I started playing around with this AI tool just to test it out. Nothing serious, just a small experiment. I made a few thumbnails for a couple of people, and in just 4 days, I pulled in $200. Now, keep in mind, I wasn't even trying to scale this. I was just testing it out so I can make this video for you. And if I can make money casually testing it, imagine what's possible if you actually put in some effort. But Jay, isn't there already a ton of people doing this? What if I don't know anything about graphic design or Photoshop? My friend, I don't know anything about graphic design or Photoshop, and that's exactly what makes this method so sneaky. Let me explain. Right now, there's millions of pieces of content being uploaded every single day. And on YouTube, there's over 500 hours being uploaded every minute. And guess what? Every single one of those videos need a thumbnail. Don't worry about having skills. Don't worry about purchasing some expensive software. You're going to be able to use AI and create stunning professional thumbnails in just minutes. Almost no effort. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to kick this off by showing you how easy it is to create thumbnails with an AI tool called Pexels. I touched on this a little bit in my previous video, but I didn't go into great detail of showing you how powerful this tool is, how this one single tool can make you a few $1,000s per month if you use it right. And luckily, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll demonstrate how to generate these thumbnails, and then we'll jump into how you can make money with them. Because before clients will actually pay you, you need to know how to do the job right. So make sure to pay close attention to this video and pull out a notepad and write down some notes if you have to. The first thing you want to do is come to this website right here and create your account. You can actually sign up and get started and try this out absolutely free. And as always, I'll leave the link below this video for quick access. Okay, once you've created your account, you log in, you're going to see two options. The first option is prompt to thumbnail. You basically provide a text, tell the tool what you want it to do, and it's going to create that thumbnail for you. The second option is recreate. This right here is a very powerful option. Basically, you can go to YouTube and paste in a YouTube link of any video you want, and it's going to replicate that thumbnail from that video. This is a perfect option if you or your client wants a tried and true style of thumbnail that's already pulling in thousands or millions of views. This is the way to get it. And we'll dig into that option a bit later. For now, we're going to create a thumbnail from scratch using the prompt feature. But before we do that, we need to come up with a topic. And for this video, we're going to use one of the most popular niches on YouTube, which is lifestyle and vlogging, which has made a resurge recently. Here's what I'm going to tell it to do. Create me a high quality thumbnail for a lifestyle and vlogging channel featuring a cheerful woman holding a cup of coffee in a cozy home setting. Add bold text that says my morning routine in soft pastel colors at the bottom. And the next thing you do is click on generate. Now it may take 10, 20, 30 seconds for your image to complete depending on your internet speed. But as you can see, it brought us back a high quality image, perfect on the very first try. Now, that's not always the case. Sometimes you may have to click on recreate to get the perfect image that you want. And if you want a closer look and a better view of your image, you can actually open it up right here. And at the bottom, you can click here to download your image. Now, let's say someone wants a lifestyle and vlogging thumbnail just like this one right here, but with a few custom tweaks. Let's say they want to remove the text or they want to add their own. Let me show you how quickly and how easily you can do that. I'll click on edit and then I'll type in a simple request to remove the text. And then I'll click on generate. And just like that, the tool will remove the text. Now, each time you regenerate an image, it's going to slightly change it a little bit. That's totally normal, but it usually still matches the overall vibe that you're going for. Now, what if you have a client that wants to add a dog into the image? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. And as mentioned, I'm going to show you how to land these clients as well. But first, I want to make sure that you understand how to use this tool properly. So here's how quickly and easily you can add a dog to the image. So all you do is just click on edit, and then you want to type in something like add a dog. And also you can add a specific breed. If you want a lab or a German Shepherd, whatever you want to do, this tool right here can do it. And then next, all you do is click generate. And there you have it. It's just that easy. Okay, now for the fun part. A lot of people don't know this, but one of the fastest and most effective ways to grow on YouTube and get thousands and even millions of views is to use what's already working. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All you're going to be doing is just copying, pasting, and clicking buttons. That's it. So what we're going to do now is go to YouTube, and we're going to use Mr. Beast as an example because he's the biggest YouTuber, but this works for any channel in any niche. It doesn't matter if it's entertainment, fitness, cooking, tech. It don't matter. Let's say you find a video in your niche, or your client discovers a video in their niche and they want you to create a similar thumbnail because they see that that thumbnail is getting a lot of clicks. Here's what you do. I'm going to use this video right here as an example. So you want to click on the video, and then you want to copy the URL right up here in the search bar. And then you want to go back to Pixels and you want to click on recreate. Now you'll see two options. You can upload a thumbnail that you want to copy, or you can paste in the video link, and that's what we're going to do. And right here, you'll see something called inspiration weight. What does that mean? All that means is how close you want your new thumbnail to look like the original one. And you have three choices here. If you choose option 1, which is low, your thumbnail will be inspired by the original thumbnail, but it will look pretty different. If you go with option 2, which is medium, your thumbnail will look almost the same, but there will be a lot of differences there. And if you go with option 3, which is high, your thumbnail will come out looking almost just like the original thumbnail, but it will still have minor changes. So what I'm going to do now is paste in my YouTube link right here, and I'm going to set the inspiration weight to high because I want to control it by adding a prompt. So when you add a prompt, you can change what you want. You don't have to rely on the tool changing it for you. So you can set the inspiration weight to high, and you can add a prompt. You can change the color, background, you can change the text, whatever you want, you're able to do inside the prompt here. And I'll leave an example prompt in the description so you can just see how to use it for yourself. It's super easy. And all you do from there is just click on generate. And there you have it. This thumbnail looks almost like the original one with a few tweaks, because you don't want your thumbnail to look exactly like you just straight up copied someone. You just want to change a few things here and there, draw inspiration from it while keeping some of the key elements the same. Now let's create some magic here. Let's change this thumbnail up even more. Let's say you want to change this person's face to someone else. Maybe you have a client that want their face onto this thumbnail. Let me show you how to do that really easy. Now, this right here usually take hours to do, and you got to be a master at graphic design, Photoshop. But with this tool, you can do it at the click of a button. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do is add my face to this thumbnail for the sake of this video. So all you're going to do is click right here where it says face swap. And then you want to upload a high quality picture of the person you want to add into the thumbnail. Make sure it's high quality. And all you're going to do is just click generate. That's it. And there it is. It's just that easy, guys. This picture actually looks just like me. So do not sleep on this AI tool. If you want to get a lot of views, if you want to get paying clients, which we are about to get into that next, you may be thinking, why would someone pay you to do this when they can just use the tool themselves? Well, it's simple. Most people don't want to do it themselves. Big YouTubers, small YouTubers, even business owners, a lot of them just don't have the time to even commit. And a lot of them don't even realize how important it is for great thumbnails to grow their channel. And some don't even know these tools exist. And even if they do, they lack the skill of research and creativity to be able to analyze what's working so they can apply it to their content. That's where you come in. Your job is not just to create a thumbnail, it's to create the right thumbnail, the thumbnail that gets your clients clicks. And that's why people will happily pay you anywhere from $10 to $50 per design, and even more the better you get. And since it only takes you minutes to do this, you can take on multiple clients a day and start stacking your earnings fast. Now, let me show the best way that I found for a complete beginner to go out there and start finding these paying clients. So the first thing I did when I was running this experiment is I went to YouTube. This is how I was able to make that $200. I went to YouTube and I searched for different niches. It don't matter. You can do one niche, two niche, or multiple niches. I will say that the more, the better. For example, we'll go with health and fitness. So I'll type in something that people are searching for, like how to lose belly fat. So you're going to type that in. And if you don't know what to search for in your niche, you can go to ChatGPT and you can ask it to give you 10 or 20 highly searched keywords related to your niche. And then you can just copy and paste it and you're good to go. Once you have entered your keyword and you click on search, it's going to bring you back a whole bunch of popular videos with great thumbnails. But that's not what you want. You want to find creators and YouTube channels that have bad thumbnails. You want to find people who need your services. So let me show you how to do that. You want to navigate right up here in the right hand corner and you want to click on filter. And then right under duration right here, you want to click on 4 to 20 minutes because you want to filter out all the YouTube shorts and get straight to the long form video. And next you want to click on filter again, and right under sort by, you want to select ratings. What this does is going to bring back a lot of videos with lower view count. And most of the time, these channels have poor thumbnails because they are new people just coming on YouTube, or they simply just don't know how to create thumbnails, or they probably just don't know it's important for their channel. Bad thumbnails equals fewer views. It doesn't matter how amazing their content may be. If nobody clicks on it, nobody will ever know. And that's exactly where you come in at. You're going to create amazing thumbnails for them and help them get views to their channel and help them grow faster. So here's what you do after you have set your filters. You want to scroll down and look through the YouTube videos and see which channel or which video needs a thumbnail. Just like this one right here. This guy, he needs a thumbnail and he don't have that many views. You want to look at the views also. Anything under 2,000 views, or I would say even 5,000 views. Only reason why I'm telling you to look at the smaller channels first, because they're going to be easier to get than the bigger channels. Once you have got a few clients under your belt and you're making thumbnails for them and you're making money and you're getting results and testimonials and things like that, then you can go for the bigger clients. But you want to start small first. This is why I'm telling you to look for the smaller channels. So the next thing you want to do is click right here on their channel, and you want to look at their other videos as well and see. You don't want to just pay attention to that one video. You want to see if their other videos need a thumbnail as well. So here's what you do. You want to reach out to them and offer your services to help them out. And you want to do that by clicking right here. This is where you'll find multiple ways to contact them. You can contact them through Facebook, Instagram, or X. And a lot of times they'll have their email here. And this is exactly what I did. And I'm going to give you a message to send to them. That way you could just copy and paste. But I do advise you later down the road, when a lot of people start doing this, you want to edit the message and make it, just make it different, guys. Don't use the exact same message over and over and over. The key is, here's a pro tip. The key is when you sending messages to these people, you want to pick one or two of their videos from their channel and you want to create free thumbnails for them. You don't want to charge them. You want to showcase your work. This is going to help you get through the door because you're not going to seem like some salesperson. You know what I'm saying? This is what a lot of people are not doing. This is what I did. I just offered free thumbnails for them and they came back to me. Especially if you're looking through their channel and they don't have great thumbnails for none of their videos and they see that they're getting results, they're going to come back. Trust me. So make sure to send them free thumbnails first. And one other thing that I forgot to mention in this video, another way that you can offer your services is through Fiverr. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are familiar with Fiverr. You can go on Fiverr. Like, the more places you offer your services, the better, guys, the better chance of you getting clients. So go to Fiverr. Set up I'll leave a video below on how to set up a Fiverr. It's not that hard to do. So you set up your services on there and you can charge anywhere from $10 to up to $50. And I'm pretty sure you can get up to like 5-6 sales a day within a month with this. I hope y'all got value from this video. I appreciate you for stopping by and I'll see you on the next one.